welcome to today's video. So recently I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys asking how my teeth are so white, what products I'm using. So today I thought I would address all of those questions in this video. So recently I've been using the brand Carbon Coco, and honestly you guys, I don't think that my teeth have ever been this white. Now they were kind enough to send me this stuff, but that doesn't influence my opinion at all. The product really does work for me. As you guys can see, like, I'm not lying, my teeth look really white. They look really beautiful. So that's why I wanted to share it with you guys in case you're interested in whitening your own teeth. So I'll start by telling you guys a little bit about the brand so you get some background info. I'm just pulling this off their website. So they are the original charcoal tooth polish, made and owned in Australia. And they claim that it's so much more than just a tooth polish. It strengthens enamel and fights plaque, freshens breath and improves mouth health, and brightens teeth and smiles. Now I personally think that all of those claims are completely true. I am definitely someone that has a lot of plaque buildup, maybe TMI, but it's something the dentist has always told me and something that's always been extremely irritating. And I can tell you guys that within the past month-ish of using these products, I find that I don't have as much plaque buildup, which is like huge for me. And obviously my teeth look way whiter, which I love. I love smiling. I don't feel like super self-conscious when I smile. If people are just staring at my teeth, if they're yellow, they're not. They're white. They're beautiful. They're pearly. Ugh. And these products are all 100% natural, so at least you know what you're doing to your teeth. It's completely safe and it's not going to be harmful at all. So when I got sent my little package, it actually came with this cute little card. So this basically just gives you directions on how to use the products. It's very helpful. I use this every single time just to make sure I don't mess up. So the first thing you do is wet the toothbrush and dip it into this jar. Now this is the charcoal. You dip the wet toothbrush in and you start brushing your teeth, and your mouth is gonna turn black. Your mouth is definitely gonna look crazy, but just brush it for 3 minutes. This is gonna be most effective. And then spit out and rinse. This powder has absolutely no taste at all. Then you're gonna brush your teeth with the activated charcoal toothpaste for 3 minutes. This is in spearmint, so it'll definitely make your mouth feel very fresh and cool, which is always a great feeling. So just brush your teeth like you normally would. And once the 3 minutes is up, you're gonna obviously rinse. And you should be able to notice that your teeth are whiter. Now it does say for best results, use daily for 7 to 14 days. But if you're someone like me that just doesn't think that's completely practical, you are totally able to switch between using your whitening stuff to your regular toothpaste. It's totally safe, obviously, because all of this stuff is natural, but you might not get the same results as you would if you use this stuff consecutively for 7 to 14 days. So if you guys are interested in getting this, I will definitely leave a link down below. And I have a coupon code that I will also leave down below so you guys can save some money. But this is pretty much the secret to why my teeth are suddenly so white. Like I said earlier, I'm not insecure about smiling anymore. I'm a very smiley person, so I'm smiling constantly. Having white teeth is definitely a huge thing for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, definitely do that down below. We accept everybody here. Remember that you're beautiful, loved, and uniquely you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!